Hey, this is Hannah with another Oneflow Hack. Today I'm going to be talking about how to link your contracts together so that you can easily access all related documents to an agreement without having to go look for them. I'm going to quickly show you how to do this, and then I'm also going to walk through some use cases of when this might come in handy. To add this, what you're going to do is you are going to go to your Documents section, click on the three dots of the contract that you want to link to, click Link To, and then choose what kind of relationship this contract is going to have to the current contract that you're working with. Is it that it relates to, is the main contract or subcontract, replaces or is replaced by, amends or is amended by? Select that, and then you're going to pick the contract that you want to add. As you can see, once you have a link, you can click and look at it in the drop down here, see the quick information about what the contracts are that are linked to this, and you can also remove it here as well. So what are some examples of when you would use this? This is really important if you have, for example, a contract that a lot of other contracts are dependent on. Let's call this main contract the mother contract. If you're making any changes to this contract, you want to be able to quickly and easily see what other contracts are going to be affected so that you can contact the counterparty and let them know about the changes or rewrite those new contracts as well. Or let's say you are a company that's hiring multiple consultants for a project. This is a great way to link the different contracts with these different consultants, to link them all to the same project and have them organized in one place. Or maybe you have a long-standing relationship with another company and you have several documents and contracts together that you've been renewing or replacing over time. Having this historical reference is helpful for future negotiations with this company, for auditing purposes, or for just checking up on the progress of this business relationship over time. So this hack is really about risk mitigation and making sure that you have all the contracts that are related to each other. But it's also about saving you time so that when you are looking for related contracts, you don't have to spend a ton of time digging them up, or, maybe one of them is lost and one of them you can find, and you don't have to worry about any of that because it's all going to be linked and connected here. Now you can go get started with your contract linking, but in the meantime, you can also check out our other hack videos for more tips on how to get the most value out of your Oneflow account. Thanks so much for watching.